Hi guys, let's show you here how they dug for the fire line from that hydrant. They did saw cut for the asphalt. You can see saw cut here and saw cut here. You can see they tied. That's the new hydrant. They install a new hydrant. Okay. So here for this building, here you can see after they finished laying bricks, they did roofing, stucco, they installed the aluminum storefront frames and the glasses. Here they are working for sidewalk. Here would be paver area, and here you can see inside. Duct work. Here they provided the metal doors. You can see duct work. Here they install the aluminum storefront glass. So you need to install the windows and the glass before you do sheetrock. Okay, so before sheetrock you need to install the window and the glasses before sheetrock. Here you can see duct work, water line, plumbing, rough-in plumbing. They did saw cut for slab here. Okay, here you can see diamond, and they backfill around it with a stone. Okay, more duct work. Here you can see slab. Here they built that wall, and then they remove it because they need to go back and forth this way to do the digging for plumbing. So they need to take out the dirt from here to there, because everything here installed, like storefront. So they remove that metal stud framing for plumbing work. Okay guys, here you can see duct work ongoing, plumbing rough-in, and here you can see stone back around the diamond. Okay, electrical work, plumbing rough-in. There's a bathroom will be at that corner. Here they did saw cut for ribbon slab. Here you can see the grading work. Here you can see the downspout came down and stopped here, so they will tie it with the drain. So the downspout came down, look, like this shape, and stopped here. Electrical work. So here, so all the rain will be here, and then they will tie it with the storm system. Okay. And here you can see the mason. They put weep holes, but no flashing here, but just weep holes. And that this one flash with the slab, so the flashing should be here. Okay, so you can see no flashing here. Okay, here there's a joint. They put joint here above the door. Okay guys, and here you can see for the ribbon slab, they didn't put the smooth dowels. You can see there's no smooth dowels here. They should put a smooth dowels, the sleeve, for expansion joint. And here you can see wood, 6 inches wood stud framing. Okay, studs here. The studs here, they require to put insulation inside the stud, so you can see the insulation inside the stud header. Okay, don't forget that. Okay, and here that's fire rated plywood, and also here that's fire rated. Some of them regular, some of them fire rated. Okay, and here there's a header That's LVL, you know, that's wood header, you can see. And that is metal stud, and that is wood. Okay guys, here at the bottom you can see how they did. Hold down. Okay. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe. We'll upload more videos about construction work. Thank you guys. Bye.